Oh, oh, oh. Oh. So, leaving Split now, bringing Maree to the airport. After that, I'll be on my way towards Slovenia. Cool. Goodbye. Drop Maree off. There she is. Goodbye. And we are driving up Croatia now. Can't wait. Beautiful. Look at that view. I want to go right up those mountains now. I had enough of coast and I had enough of islands. We're going to drive the whole day up in the mountains until we get to Slovenia. So my sat-nav is gone again. Too hot. That's normal. That's the downside of having the phone as a sat-nav, but I'll make a stop at the lake now. Here's the lake. I want to go down a bit. Ah, cool. Yeah. This is how I get down here. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, ah. Whoa. Shit. Okay. That could have gone wrong. Oh, but that is totally worth it. Man. I hope I'm recording that. Look at that. Awesome. Man, look at that. Yeah, that's our spot. Peruća Lake on my way to Slovenia today, driving through the whole country of Croatia. I'm gonna extend my journey to Italy, enjoying the view a bit now, and then I'm gonna continue to ride. Okay, that was a cool stop. Drone a bit. Man, it's that beautiful here. Now I have to go 300 kilometers to Slovenia. Found a campground there on Overlander. Let's try and get out of here without falling on our nose. My goat here shouldn't be a problem. Shouldn't be a problem. Steep we can do, right? Oh yeah! Woohoo! We did it! Okay! All right, everything is still there. So let's do it. Looks so cool with the clouds behind the mountain, man. Awesome. What a great road with a really great view today. Really, really cool. Bridge. Cool bridge. 40 minutes left until we're at the campsite. Weather's so good and roads are getting really cool. Let's have some fun. Oh, I think that's the border. I think. Yeah. Cool. Border to Slovenia. Hello, Slovenia. Cool. That looks good. So, see you. Nice lady. Alright, last 30 minutes, let's do this. Holy shit. Oh, that sucks. Oh. That's why we always have to be focused. Man, there are the Alps. And there. I will see you tomorrow. Lufsen camping spot. Oh my god, super cool. Alright, so we're having the coolest spot in the campground right next to the river. It's just ridiculously cool.